Clear today, lalpa iswa mingin chibai ule tunkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar clearin lawngai thlang u October ni thotan ni khan North East India UPC Kohhran thalai pol Pentecostal Youth Department PYD Social Work Day ani a India marchak pum hwa pa man ani Pentecostal Kohhran thalai pol ro rel na sang General PYD Conference ro rel na chuan kumsang khazakwa somkwa pakwa khan Social Work Day ni se ti in apasa kumsang ni atang khan mantan ngal ni in kumtin October ni hi India marchak pum hwa pin van tlang ta na tha thona ni ta na man chau alo ni ta ani Aizol at Juan CTPYD Bultumin Civil Hospital Aizol ti faina nilengin anthoka chommadar somle achanvia Civil Hospital Evangelist Ellen Daldong Liana ka ishwaina intan na hun man ani a Evangelist Silaram Rotan hun ser mangin General PYD Secretary Evangelist JH Malsom Dong Liana le Civil Hospital Nursing Superintendent ten thu ansoya Aizol CTPYD mingin Civil Hospital ahian thuthleng sei da anibok Evangelist Chwan Moya Zote Chairman Chuan Nursing Superintendent nena ahlan Chalai kalkhom te hi group shanga intenin Civil Hospital Building chung le pon lamphang kwalin Hospital Building chunga wartin baka building le achevel te chanhem ngai takin anthian faya Aizol City Area Pastor Bial Sompangale Sipir Local Atangin PYD members athung chuangin nilengin hospital le achevel ti fai na hi an thok ani Mizoram chung le pon lama district shang te mandan ero district rawngbawlna Chanchin Puanralin kan ngai thlak chun jom don ani General try to the program ngai thak sun zomila General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanjama chuan dur tlang bial missions conference manpuin speaker atangang General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoya chuan Thenzol bial missions conference manpuin speaker atangang October ninga atangani sari zirtop jana tanga pathiani jan chung hian North Mizoram District Huam chung bial somthum te chuan bial missions conference an mangmeka District Missions Department try to tele District Kohhran pui try to ten hetiang hian bial conference an manpui District Missions Director Reverend Sila Thantluanga konpui bial District Missions Secretary Evangelist RK Vanal ngaya sial suk bial District Missions Treasurer Evangelist JH Malsom Dongliana Chaltlang Bial District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Sumsui Bial District Secretary Reverend Thiarpuya Zol Nuam Bial District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusanga Bairabi Biala North Mizoram District Huam chung bial somthum te chuan conference hlenna tura anrat kaushana October ninga zirtop jana tangkhan conference tanin atuk inrini nilengin conference rorel anneya bial tamjok chuan speaker roin hun an manga bial chen khata ero chuan bial shwai tu tele upate an roi thung District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtuanga chuan October ninga atangani sari chunga tlang nuam bial missions conference melthum kaushana an man meka speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga chu Aizol East District Swangpuilon khwa Unaw Palal Khumadi chungkwa in pathian hena lomthu soi choimoina anbot saya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei lomthu soi choimoina program hi September ni somni pakwa in rinni khan Swangpuilon Kohhran biak ina hun man ni in speaker Reverend Laltuanga North Mizoram District Superintendent hian atuk pathiani jan thleng rawngbawlna anei Speaker Hileng Puya Tangin Unaw Nulal Ngai Omin Troy Omin Fakla Asachin Bok Lomthu Soi Joy Moina Petu Unaw Palal Khuma hi Aizol Ram Luna Pem To Ni In Alo Om To Na Chin Swang Puilona Hian Joy Moina Pek Atula Wangin Hemuna Hian Pathian Joy Moina Nei Ani September ni somni pariata tangani somthum zirtop ni atanga pathiani jan manga Leng Puibia Sunday School Department Malak na in Leng Puibia Zone 1 area omten ro pui chipa seminar an bot sai Leng Puibia Zone 1 a hian ro pui chip Trazol le Dilzol te omin September ni somni pariat zirtop ni khan District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist H Lerin heta resource person mangin Sunday School poimo na le teaching technique ti mangin seminar an nei September ni somni pakwa in rinia nilengin no pongpwal lang camp nein tharau thiang lim dong le siam tharna chang engi mozat an om in rini jana tang hian revival program mangin pathiani za thleng lim takin hun an mang North Mizoram District Aizawl Khopui Ponlama Social Work Day Mandat Report. Phainuam Bial Headquarters Local PYD to chuan Social Work Day to Phainuam Khochung Munchang Shang Ten Fai Ngai Te Ten Fai Nana Mangin Social Work Day hi an mang. Day mana hian twal chung PYD shwai tu te an kimvek thei baka Bial OB twal upala Ramzawa Assistant Secretary Unaw Nulal Nun Moi Treasurer ten an ho baka Phainuam Bial to Pastor Reverend Arlel Di Thangan Atroy Ombok. Lengpui Bial Lengpui Local PYD te chuan Social Work Day to Zingkara Lengpui Khodung Tuanin Zingkara Bolho Charin an Thok Chuaka Chuna Biak in le Avel Tifain Natlang an nei le a Zana PYD night mangin lim takin hun an mang ani. Rayek Bial Local PYD te chuan Social Work Day a Rayek Khochunga Bolho Boma Bolho Omte la Khomin apai na huna an paya member Chanhem tak an Thok Chuak. Rayek Local PYD te hi Rayek VC10 Thopuin Sanitation Motor and Mantir ani. Aibok Bial PYD te chuan Social Work Day Bial Huapin Sate eka nilengin hun an mang. Social Work Day man in khom Zingdar somle achan via tanin hun ser man masak ani a chumi nuwa Sate ek than mol kong sam fai na an thoka hemi baka hian lian phunga bung le avel le akong sam fai na an thok bok ani. Aibok Bial PYD Local Shang Atingin member Sunga Pangalai and Thok Chuak Bok. PYD den Social Work Day and Manhibial Department Shang Kohhran Pui Missions Department Sunday School Department le LED Chenin and Troy Om Chahle. Satek VC Branch YML Branch President Pula Rotkiman Aibok Bial PYD te Social Work Day Man Nan Sum Enge Mozat Apebok. Kori team Local PYD te po in Social Work Day omni khama mangin Vantlang Fe Kong Jeep Road Khwale motor kong pui in kalpo na kong pui mo sam fain natlang an neya member som libor an thok chuaka chonhula ma YML library le biak inte anti bok. Kolasip Diakon Bial PYD te chuan Biaro rel to angin Social Work Day a Odrin Sism Children Home Compound sam natlangin member chanem tak an thok chuaka ASC Home Compound na hian hun ser dar som ma chan ni in nilengin home le avel ti fai ngai piang then fai na an thok ani. September ni somni pariat zirtomni Khan North Mizoram District Literature and Publication Board Committee chu kumsang ni sompakwani lai thu pui zir tur chungchanga meeting an nei. Meeting Reverend Siarpuya North Mizoram District Secretary in Kaishwain kumsang ni sompakwani lai thu pui zir tur edit dan tur chungchang soin Literature Committee member ten a huhawa hun in pe in edit na tho cha antitlang. October ni somni lai ni a edit thokhat na nei ni se anti a edit thokhat na hian bung som pangachin edit turin anin rahman. September ni somthum pathian ni chonu le zan mangkhan North Mizoram District Headquarters Bial LED te chuan Bial Conference Rural Bozuin Headquarters Bial atanga indang chuak tlangnuam Kohhran LED te antlo. Headquarters Bial LED te fe chuak hian bus pakhat le motor te enge mozat mangin pathiani chuna tengin program an manga chonu in khoma unaw numal somi mission veng thangin hun masa mangin Headquarters Bial to Pastor H Zabiakan rawngbawlna aneya zanlama unaw nu chuan kungi Bible woman in rawngbawlna anei thung. Fe chua program mana hian Headquarters Bial LED te le tlangnom Kohhran te chuan hun lim om tak an mang ani. Chaltlang Bial Bongkon Kohhran te chuan September ni somthum pathiani zan Khan North Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran antlo. Fe chua zan hian Bongkon Kohhran te hian biak in ankara bas pakhat baka motor enge mozat mangin hun masa twal upa H lalba sayan mangin thushi rawngbawlna upa arlan mangai zwala Bongkon Local Church Board Chairman in aneya Headquarters Kohhran te hithil pek thatak an hlan bok. Unaw palan mangai te chung dur tlang mal veng te chuan September ni somni pakwa in rin ni khan Kohhran kaltangin pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina an buat sai. Lom thu soi choi moya hian district tir Kohhran tlan evangelist Sizoram Thar chu speaker ni in biak ina chommadar som pakhata in khom antana in rin ni zana tanga pathian ni zan thleng revival program a hun man chun zomin borak du om tak an nei ani. October ni hi thole ni khan evangelist Lalman Liana Mawbok te chung chuan pathian choi moina nein evangelist Arvan chungan rawngbawlna anei. Hemini vek hian dur tlang mal venga loi Jacob Lerem sanga te chung po in pathian choi moina an nei boka Jacob Lerem sanga te chung in pathian choi moina an nei a hian Evan Zoram Thar speaker tan man ani. September ni somni panhi inrin ni leng khan vaireng te bial chunga local changchang charge board committee member chin te chuan kaushan ser sang rawngbawlna training nein bial to pastor Reverend H.F. Malsoman zirtirna apea rawngbawl tu ten an hlok pui hle hemitla hian chahlui kil honi in zana tengin revival inkhom an nei chunzom speaker atan vaireng te bial treasurer evangelist H chhuana man ani bok speaker rawngbawlna anungin tharau borak achale ani September ni somni panga missionary day po kha vaireng te bial chunga kaushan pali vaireng te headquarters filveng harbon le IOC kaushan ten roinen omni khamin hlim takin hun an mangbok ani September ni somthum pathiani khan hun Thar bial lungver kaushana mithar pathum kaushana senglu anni mithar te hi nupa fa pakhat nei anni a bial to pastor Reverend Silan hun lianan swangai damna baptisma a chantirani tin hemizan vekhian hun Thar bial rangwamol kaushana pathian thutlung mu a Pentecostal kaushana lut mithar pani ombokin bial to pastor Reverend Silan hun lianan Pentecostal kaushana lomlutin swangai damna baptisma a chantir venghal bok Aibok bial PYD te chuan September ni somthum pathiani khan hwal ngom mun kaushan antlo Aibok bial PYD te na hwal ngom mun kaushan antlo hi bial PYD conference ro relin alo pastor ni in hwal ngom mun kaushana hian hun limom tak an manga pathiani chonhu le azan hun mangin bial chung me PYD member somli vel an kalkhom Pathiani chonhu inkhoma bial PYD vice president unaw pa arlal thancha manhe na tengin thu oina ti thupui mangin pathian thu ngai thlak ani a zanlama bial PYD president tol upa MS zonglian hne na tengin wana ro kholkhom ti thupui mangin pathian thu ngai thlak ani bok hun man chung hian aibok bial PYD zai polten zai rawngbawlna nei bokin kaushan haute pathian tharau thiang hlim shwaina le ompuina nen hun hlok thlak le hlim om tak an mang ani September ni somthum pathiani khan chimtui pui district Lucky Kaushana Home Missionary Evangelist C Khailong chuan unaw mi pasari telelpa iswa mingin swangai damdam baptisma a chantir Pastor Robin MH Lalthan Moya tuipang sectional pastor le bial PYD shwai tu te chuan an bial chung fangin rawngbawlna an neya September ni somthum pathiani khan Lucky locala charge board shwai tu te le bial PYD shwai tu te tangkop chuan local PYD an din Thar Lucky local PYD a hian member som pasari omin president secretary le treasurer te an rat ngal ani chimtuipui district new atlang 3 kilometer som kaushan te chuan September ni somhni pakwai inrini khan local Thai Kut mangin speaker atan new atlang bial to pastor nupui unaw nu bi sangrami Bible woman an roya herong bolna kaltlang hian chung ka khat member panhi kaushana senglu ni in sectional pastor Reverend F Lalbiak Traman kaushana asenglut herong bolna kal zela hian September ni somthum pathiani khan Reverend F Lalbiak Trama sectional pastor chuan mithar pakwa kaushana asenglut bok September ni somni pariata tangani somthum chung khan longtlai south bial LED te chuan diltlang kaushan anto a member chanem takfe chwakin Reverend Dr. C.C. Mo longtlai south sectional pastor to speaker an mang hefe chwa rongbawlna hilal panmal asoma kaushan hauti an hlimhle a September ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan diltlang kaushan te chuan roi an bat sai ani Chimtuipui district khwam chunga local changchang PYD te chuan October ni khat thotan jan khan district PYD thurel bo zuin inkhom kimjane general PYD rorel member Thar lak run pui hun an mang District PYD President Evangelist Kerin Thar chuan South Lungpher local a hun man puin member Thar lak lu na hun amanga secretary twal upa H laldu sangale twal upa N lal chwan moya financial secretary te chuan sia hatla local an man pui thung October ni social work day kha chimtuipui district PYD te chuan khochung ti fai tuilak na luidung then fai kongsiam that tongtai na mun ti fai tuikhur then fai ramhum hal then fai damlo eitur siam sakle damlo damdoi inle avel ti fai na thokin hun an manga local chen kha chuan amamo tu te tan thi sen pe in hun an mangbok Chimtuipui District PYD President Evangelist Kerin Thar chuan South Lungpher local PYD ten social work day an manna atelpuya treasurer unaw nu ramdin moi chong thule financial secretary twal upa enlal chwan moi te chuan sia ha bial PYD ten social work day manna man pui thung Chimtuipui District District Superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailo District Secretary Reverend Joseph L. Thauthang, District Treasurer Reverend W. L. Thangshe Tele, Siahabial Pastor Reverend Khuli Li Chale, District Officer Staff Tepu in Siaha Kutsung Ten Fine Hatokin and Hatlang Vebok. October ni ruk atangani sari manghian Siahatla Local No Pang Sunday School Department Juan, Lang Camp and Bot Side Don. Lang Camp Hian Tual Upa H. Laldu Sanga to Speaker Anroya, Evangelist Robert B. Lalunsiamati, District Evangelist Juan rawngbawlna Anaibokang, Councillor Pangarwat ni Intong Trai Kholnen Theitop so in rawngbawlna An Kalpui Mek Ani. October ni Li Ningani Atangkhan Siahatla PYD te chuan member Late Pualin Home Crusade and Bot Site. Home Crusade Hian Tual Upa Enlal Chan Moya Local Statistician to Speaker Manani Karkhata Zanli and Fe Chuak Thindona October Thachunga Tan rawngbawlna An Kalpui Don Ani. Chimtuipui District in Kumtin Chanchin, Pentecostal Koni chu October Pathiani Masaber Hian District chung local tin Aman le Anidona, Heni Hian chung Kopoi Mona le Lut Namang Tea in Fui Chaknan, Hun Manchin ni in, Fanei Tamtin Hena local chen Katjuan Joy Moina Tilpek Tihlanin Limtaka Hun Manchin Ani. Chimtuipui District Missions Department in Vasai Kai Kwa Kaushan Building Asakchu, Hun Engemochen Josan Ani Luin Lua Turin Sakchun Zom Anidon. He building hi abanle beam cement concrete manga sak ania abangle achunga taile rangba man ani bokang he building sakna hi Reverend Joseph L. Thauthang District Secretary Chuan Bul Achanpui Don ani Tunla Hian District Office Rongnoi Tharmek ania Rongnoi Tur hi District LED 10 Sumtumin District Headquarters Local News Siaha PMD 10 nitin hatlang kawin an hnoi chin ani November ni somni pathuma tangani somni pangachunga chimtuipui District Missions Conference thlengtu tur District Headquarters Local News Siaha Kaushan 10 in Bosaina kal chopui zelin biak in le avel cheibol thatna tur sungman tur po nei to in chung kotin ten he khom pui hilim takaman ani theinan in Bosaina chisangsang an nei chaumek zel ani Barak District chunga biale local sangsang ten berwa kharna ni pa fomin in tlo ton hun an bot sai Haflong Sheikh Sonchuan September ni somni pakwa in Rinizan Khan Haflong Lokala Berwal Kharna hun an manga Bial to Pastor Reverend B. Johnson Chuan hun kai shwain Bial chung local tin Berwal mandan report pe in lim takin hun an mang September ni somthum Pathiani Khan Bial Secretary Evan mangai thang chuan in khom akai shwaya Evangelist Ropuya zote chuan Home Missionary tirko roina tur Faith Promise Appeal aneya cheng sing thum sang kwa za somli baruklai an huchwak Zanlama Reverend B. Johnson dan Pathian Thucha Soyin Berwal subject clearlet na nei hovin liptakin hun an mang. Jiri Bambial po in Zion local Berwal Karna Hibial Hwapin an Bosaya local tidin Berwal an mandante soy howin an hlokpui dante an soy how ani. Silchar Biala Juan Bial Hwapang lovin local tinin an rem chandan angin Berwal Karna hi an manga luipui local Juan September ni somthum sangni sompariat Khan Berwal thana hun hi thingpui rainen an manga he hun hi bial to Pastor Reverend Lal Than Moyan Ahman Pui Headquarters Sexona Chuan Berwal Kharna hi Jorkha Lokala September ni somni pakwa atanga ni somthum chung Khan an manga District Superintendent Reverend H Laramlin Chuan Ahman Pui ani Wangai Sectiona apo Berwal Kharna hi mangin clearlet na hun hlok thak tak an mang Aizol East District LED in Khompuilian Voice of Nipangana Silver Jubilee chu October ninga zirtop jana Tangkhan Khozol Field number 1 a manmek ani a Pathian nizan hian achiakang in Khompuya hian thupuya tharawa khatin omjok rau FSC bunga chang sompariat thu mani in thupui thensom mangin misang sangne na tingin thu soingai thak ani ang District Superintendent Reverend Rosang Kolni Chuan Pathian Hena Hlanin Conference hi ahonga Khozol Bel to Pastor C Lalma Soman Hena Tengin Palailom na thunga ithlakani Unawnu Jailal Dingliani Nor Vanlai Pai LED President Chuan Tan na hun mangin Unawnu Mary Lalun Sangi Bible Woman Hena Tengin Chetze ati thupui mangin thu soinga ithlak ani baka General LED Shwai tu ten Hena Tengin in khompui che baibung na ngai thak ani bok In Khompui Tanzan Hian District LED Chanchin Tlangzar na nei ani baka Jubilee Paul Pensem ani a in Khombana Jubilee Convar chwa ani bok In Rini Nilen Khan Unawnu FLL Ompui Bible Women District LED President Kaishwain Rowrel in Khom nei ani a biale official atanga agenda lut enge mozat ngai to ani Inrin ni zan hian unaw nu zai thang liani Bible woman chuan thilpe ka ti mangin thu soina aneya pathiani choma a incheina ati mangin unaw nu doctor lal masa in thu soina nei le in pathiani chonua chung komai chamti mangin unaw nu lal changliani sailo Bible woman general LED president chuan thu soina nei in pathiani zana reverend biak sangzola district secretary chuan thiang hlimna ati mangin thu soina anei thungang Aizawl East District LED in Khompui hi soban ni angin Myanmar PLM shwai tu de chuan telpuim pathiani chuma a chibai bukna thutoi an soyang he in Khompui nei chung hian in khoma piangin malzai ba ka bia changchang LED atangin zai pol zai ngai thak thin ani boka Aizawl East District LED in Khompui hi pandala man ni in pandal hi adung fit som kwale awang fit som sar eliana sak ani a aminga tharau in puiti vo ani October ni leading azana pandal hlanna in khom pandala hian anlo nei to bok ani September ni somni pariata tangani somthum chung khan Aizawl East District Noya Bial Shangshang te chuan Bial Missions in Khompui hlim takin an hmang Inrini ni leng khan Bial chung in inop dale district alu tur ngai to in rural in khom nei ani a District Missions Department le District Kaushan Pui shwai tu ten hetiang hian mun shangshanga Bial Missions in Khompui hi an man pui ani Reverend Arlian Zama District Missions Director Chuan Sept Biala Ahman Puya District Mission Secretary Evangelist Laramza Chuan Bethlehem Biala Ahman Puyin District Missions Treasurer Evangelist Lal Thuthunga Chuan Bazar le Upper Republic Biala Ahman Pui Bok ani Reverend Rosanga Colony Superintendent Chu Bazar Biala Speaker Atanga Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chu Champhai Biala Speaker Atangbukin Reverend Valal Felaram Tiam District Treasurer Chuan Bethlehem Biala Ahman Pui Bok Aizawl East District Missions Department hian kumin October ni somni paruk atanga ni somni pasare chung hian Kohhai Biala District in Khompui an mangdona tuna hian athlengtu tur Kohhai Bial te po na chatakin animba sai chhomeka he in Khompui mangtur hian kaushan member zongjong te kalvek turin min som ani Bial Missions in Khompui hi bongkon Bial te chuan bongkon biak ina September ni somni pariat zirtop jana tangkhan an mangtana Thu Puishan Panei Lovin Speaker Evangelist H. Larin Fila Riang Tlei Khwa Chu An Mang Ani Bongkon Bial Ti Hian Kumsang Ni Som Pakwa Ramthun Veng Thar Biak Ina In Khompui Hi An Mang Le Dona Kumsang Ni Som Pakwa Chungin ASC Home Tanpui Na Peng Ni Se Anti Baka General Missions Department Na Kumkhat Chung Missionary Roi Turati Ni In Work Camp Ne Ni Se Anti Bok Ani In Khompui nei chung hian zo mun Bial Pathian Pa Kon Kaushan Khwang Mantur Appeal nei ani a cheng sangriat chuang an hmuchuak ani Bazar Bial te chuan Veng Bek ina Bial Missions in Khompui hi Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Speaker amangin hlim takin an manga thupuya irong bol du lo namle ram chu an boral don si a Isaya bung somruk chang som pani ti chu man ni in rini ni leng khan rel in khom an neya heta hian General Missions Department a Missionary pali chom chunjom turati ni in Home Missionary pakhat chom chunjom le ni se anti baka Jaigang quarters atan cheng sing ni pek ni se anti bok ani Tingsul thia Bial ti chuan Bial Missions in Khompui voi som thum pangana se song veng thar biak ina hlim takin an manga thupuya Iswa Krista local lena tirko te bung khat chang som pakhat thu mangin Speaker Reverend Arlel Hoya General Missions Director an mang ani Upper Republic Bial te chuan Bial Missions in Khompui voi som ni pathumna Upper Republic biak ina an manga Speaker Reverend Silal Engliana Bial to Pastor tu man ni in thupuya irong bol na khalen ro Timothea thon ni bungli changa thuan mang ani Inrini ni leng khan rel na nei ani a heta hian tual chung kaushan te fe chhuani se anti a Bial hopin Aizawl khopon tlo turati ani a Bial chung in kanton le turati ni in Redeem Hospital a thuthleng sei peng ni se anti bok ani Kolkul Bial te chuan Bial Missions in Khompui voi som thum panhi na khwanglak kaushana an manga Speaker Evangelist H. Lalhimpuya District Revival Speaker chu an mang ani Speaker hiti member ten antoi ombaka unaw nu le sha chongin zai rongbawlna anei thin ani Khozol Bial te chuan Bial Missions in Khompui kharem chanjong na awangin September ni somni pathum pathian ni mangkhan konjar biak ina hlim takin anlo mangto a Speaker a Bial to Pastor Silal Mel Soma chu mangin thupuya e pathian tok turin impeiro ti an mang ani Sept Bial te chuan Sept chan mari biak ina Bial Missions in Khompui voi somli pakhat na hi an manga Speaker Reverend Arlian Zama District Missions Director chu mangin thupuya Chanchin hi shira u marka bung som paruk chang som panga thu an mang ani Sept din Thar bial te pu in bial missions in khom pui kha Sept din Thar local a mangin speaker big nei lovin bial shwai tu te hne na tengin thu soi an ngai thachina kumsang ni som pakwa a chuan siang tlang huna in khom pui hi an mang le don ani rabung bial de chuan bial missions in khom pui voi somthum paruk na hi khwal en kaushana hlim takin an manga thupuya in kong te chu chhut ngun ra u hagaya bung khat chang sari thu mangin bial tu pastor jelen hingsang chu speaker a mang ani rabung bial te hian kumsang ni som pakwa chuan rabung kaushana in khom pui hi an mang le anga main speaker nei le turati ani bok October ni thole ni kha North East India PYD 10 wantlang ta na thil chati nani social work day ani angin Aizawl East district chunga biale 12 chung kaushan sang te chuan hlotling takin an manga joint PYD anga mangte biale 12 chung kaushan anga pang anom boka biale 12 chung chen khatte chuan omni khama an man lain chen khat chuan jingkara chau an mang thung ani social work day man da tlang pui kan sha te lotar langila Sept bial tu chuan bial hwa pin social work day hi an manga bial tu pastor bilal engza wa chuan honna nein Sept auditorium ti fai na an thoka member za chuang an thok chuak thei ani Sept bial tho ngen tiang pu in anrem chan anga pangin ngen tiang khuchung ti fai na an thoka LED le Sunday school no pangte nen member somthuma tanga som level an thok chuak thei ani Chiatlang veng pui PYD tu chuan chongmalama Sept district jail kong ti fai na thokin kumhasa lama thing allo phun to sam fain rong noile cheinum na an thok bok ani chonhulama khochung kong le wantlang zun in an ti fai bok ani chingchip local te pu in social work day hi mangin PNE compound ti fai na an thok ani East lungdar bial te chuan bial hwa pamang lovin ma ni rem chan angin social work day hi an mangloma sailulak local PYD te chuan Kohhran jubilee hola hunser toy mangin tol upa silal siam lena PYD advisor chuan hunser amanga president una pa silal thanmoy ne na tengin thu soi toy ngai thlak ani bok hunser manzo ani nuwa khochung kong puile tuilon korti faina an thok ngal ani he huna hian member somli chuang an thok chuak thei ani Leng local te chuan jingkara kholai dung ti fai na an thoka heta hian member engi mozat an thok chuak thei na tho ani hma hian hunser toy upa arlel zomliana church board chairman wat chuan hun mangin leng VCP pu vanal finga ne na tengin thu toy ngai thlak ani bok East lungdar local PYD te chuan jingkara mangin tongtai na mun then fai na an tho baka khochung then fai na an thok bok ani Rabung bial chunga tua chung PYD te po in ma ni rem chan angin social work day hi an mangloma khwal en local te chuan jingkara kholai dung bol hlot ti fai na an thoka murlen PYD te chuan nileng in kholai ti fai na an tho baka mun poimo a thuthleng siamin an da bok member somthum vel an thok chuak hlia pui PYD te po in kholai an ti fai baka tuikhur ti fai na an thok bok ani Champhaya chuan Champhai joint PYD bultumin social work day hi an manga Champhai civil hospital ti fai na an thok Khozol bial ti chuan Khozol Malvam children park sam fai le then fai na an thoka bial tu pastor silal mal som chuan hunser amanga heta hian member somli chuang thok chuakin Khozol video lerim rota sailo chuan hatlanga thok chuak te eile intur atumsak Ngopa headquarters local te chuan social work day khalim takin an manga wantlang zun in ti fai na an thok ani Nalan bial PYD te chuan nalan darnam thalmol sam fai na an thoba ka thalmol kongkhwar zol te siam na an thoka member somsari chuang thok chuakin zanlama back in a praise and worship hun an mangchun zom ani Maite local te chuan nileng in kholai dung kong chhezwal lai te thom that na thokin social work day hi an manga member somli panga vel an thok chuak thei ani Sept din Thar bial te chuan Sept din Thar huam chunga kholai kong chalo lai te siam na thokin nileng in hun an mang North Lungpher local po in khochung retaining wall le rong noi thatna an thoba ka wantlang zun in rong noi thatna an thoka electric bantui ek tur ven nan rong an noi bok ani Darlon bial te chuan ratumel ko na social work day kam wildlife week thlotling takin an mang ani October ni social work day khalunglei district PYD te chuan hlotling takin an manga lunglei khopui chunga chuan town area PYD social work day committee malangna in hlotling takin an mang Town area te hian na an tho chan ma in DTO office kota in khom toy an nei masa a he hun hi district PYD treasurer evangelist Laldin Puyan akai shwaya Reverend Silarin Tluanga Lunglei District Treasurer chuan hun ser mangin khwalian edi zonun ki UDMPA Iowa local chuan thu soina nein faina chungchanga PYD ten ma an la chu lom thu asoya Social Work Day Committee Secretary H Lalming Moya chuan report pe in ra siveng bial to Pastor Reverend Sila Shat puya chuan tongtaina ane hnu in na hi tho tan ani Social Work Day hiki kona tanga venglai inkara side drain le vantlang konga bol omte then faina atan man ani a town area bialnga atangin PYD member zathum chuang ankal khom ani Town area PYD te ba ka hian Social Work Day hilunglei district chunga local le bia sang te chuan vantlang ta na thil thati nan an manga hetiang hi Social Work Day man dan tlang pui ani bung mun bia chunga local zongzong te chuan Social Work Day hi mang vekin se som veng thang le se som veng chak local te chuan join da mangin khotlang ti faina atan an mang na thial bial te chuan an thing lo phun to bulvel an him sam fain rong hnoi na tlang an nei bok khwang lum local te po in jingkara kholai dunga bol hlom te char fain chhun lama biak in le avel ti fain na tlang an nei bok Molcheng South local te chuan Social Work Day a hian kongpui siran him sam natlang an neya member somruk an thok chuak ani rang te nod le South te pu in Social Work Day hi joint in an manga khotlang ten fine natlang an nei Then lum local PYD te pu in khochung ti finance Social Work Day hi an mang ve bok Sajai kon local PYD te chuan Sajai kon huna district PYD zun in siam natlang an nei bok Lungsena PYD te chuan kot chwa tongtai na mun ti fain rong an hnoi tha ani Haulong lalveng local PYD te po in kongkam nim sam fain natlang an neya mol thram not electric veng lai local te chuan join da mangin kumma salama an thing phun bulvel sam fain natlang an nei chongte local PYD te chuan thalmol kong chelai a the angin siamin natlan na an nei ani Trumpui local PYD te po in tuikhur kong sam fain an natlang bok chipir local PYD te chuan chipir PHC compound antify Sekum local PYD te chuan an khodai nai kong kama an thingphun sam faile hung thatna an thok South Lungdai local PYD te pu in kumdanga thing an lo phun to bulvel sam fain natlang an neya Ropui local PYD te chuan jingkara ko chwa lunlaya zunin an sa a chhun lama kumma salama thing an phun na bul sam fain natlang an nei bok Lunglei District PYD Music Committee chuan October ni ruk in rin ni zana tanga tan turin solo competition le zaipol meet an bot sai don Solo competition hi October ni ruk in rin ni zana District Conference Hall Chan Maria elimination round nei ani dona heta tang hian top 10 than chwa ani anga top 10 chin te hian October ni seri pathian ni chhun lama ra siveng back in a inti sak na an nei chhun jom dona Top 10 na tang hian final round lut tur thlang chuakin zanlama final round inti sak na hi nei chunjom ngal ani ang October ni sari pathian ni hian zaipol meet po nei ngal tur ani October ni khat chundar som pani khan lunglei district UPC press noya tharuk training zomi pani te hena certificate hlan na inkhom toy lunglei district UPC office a nei ani he inkhom hi press board chairman Reverend C Vanlal ena na kaishwaya Press Board Secretary le Manager ni bok Evangelist R.O. Piang chuan report pe in tuna training chuak te hi batch thumna anni thule UPC Press atanga training chuak ten azon na atana anmanzui the china wanga alom thu asoi bok kumina training chuak te hi printer operator a Arlel Monpuya son of Arlel Rozwala Moltram not venglai le folder lel chon moi daughter of Upa H Lalung Rwala Moltram South te ani a certificate press board chairman Reverend C Vanlal ena chuan a hlan ani kumina training chuak te hi press board chuan tharuk chung a chhor chunjom don ani Lunglei district chung pangzol le toipui bial te chuan October ni nga zirtop jana tangkhana joint conference an mangmek Pangzol bial LED le PYD joint conference tu Pangzol khwang hlum lokala an mangmeka speaker atan evangelist lian thangwunga maliana chuman ni in thupuya tan thaula ipathian kauro Johanna bungkha changruk chuman ani zai thiam unaw nu zo than moi chuan zain rawngbawlna anei bok October ni ruk inri ni legin PYD le LED te hian rorel na aneya district lut tur thu enge mozat le bial inrel bolna sang anrel ani Toipui bial LED le PYD joint conference po thingfal lokala manmek ani a speaker atan bial to Pastor Reverend H Rauthwa Marwain zai thiam unaw nu eflesha chungi chuan conference chung hian zain rawngbawlna aneyang October ni ruk inri ni legin rorel na aneya October ni sari pathiani zan thleng hun an mangang September ni somni parukatanga ni somni poko chung khan mall tram electric local ti chuan bolpui vi home missionary quarters sa in work camp aneya mi som pakhat an thok chuak ani bolpui vi home missionary quarters hi bel chunga local shangshangin work camp in anin sakchoka tuna hian lo thei turin an pe fel chep to ani bolpui vi mission field da hian tuna hian district missions department hian home missionary in evangelist lero khoma chu ada mek ani ole khati zong kha tuntumata north east india upc Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchinthar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ani e